Hello everyone, welcome to hands-on ICD-10 coding tutorial, session 16, ICD-10 CM Instructional Notations or Coding Conventions. First, an overview of session 16. In this session, I will talk about what are ICD-10 CM Instructional Notations or Coding Conventions. Then I will give you a list of instructional notations, and then where to find instructional notations in the ICD-10 CM coding book. So what are the instructional notations? Instructional notations are also known as instructional notes, coding notes, or coding conventions, or some people refer to them as coding rules. For example, some ICD-10 CM codes cannot be coded together, or in other case, two codes has to be coded together. Say, for example, if you code as symptom or sign, you also have to code the underlying diagnosis. And also the underlying diagnosis has to be coded first, and then the symptom or signs. So all those coding knowledge are expressed in the coding notes. So usually the more experienced a medical coder is, the more knowledge he or she has in coding notes. So here I will give you a list of all the instructional notations. So the first column here is the type of coding notes. We have like 7 type of coding notes, and then here we list the number of notes appear in the coding book. Say, for example, inclusion terms, we have around 6,000 of them in the coding book. Then for includes, we have 400 of them, and then excludes 1, excludes 2, and then code first. And we also have use additional code. There's 756 of them. And then finally, the 7th character, we have only 507 of them. So let's go to the book to find the coding notes. So if you go to ICD-10 CM, browse ICD-10 CM book, or you can find any coding book. Usually there's one section called instructional notations. Here, just please read through all those explanations about each type of coding notes. Let's go back to a slide. So finally, where to find the instructional notes? So the instructional notes usually appears in the code itself, or sometimes in the parent code, or the parent code of the parent code, or sometimes you have to go up to the code category to find the instructional notes. I will give you one example here. Say if I let's search for a code here. The code is S91.209. Here you click the book sign here to go to the book. So here in this code here, you can, in the code itself, it doesn't have any notes. Usually a plus sign will show a notes, coding notes. Here in the parent, you don't have it, S91.20, and the parent friend is S91.2, doesn't have any coding notes here. And then you have to go up to the code category S91 here. There's a plus sign here. You can expand that. That's coding notes. Here you will see, okay, you have a code also, excludes 1, and also character 7 notes and the definition for ADS. So I just want to show you, sometimes you have to go to the parent code or even go up to the code category to find the coding nodes. So in next few sessions, I will go through each type of the coding nodes and give examples for the each type of the coding node. Thank you very much for watching.